Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a bikini collection review today. Now I have a ton of bikinis, so I just want to go over a little bit of information on each one so you guys know what to look for when you're shopping on Amazon, at Forever 21, on Boutine.com. So if you guys like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you guys want more videos like this, let me know. And let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first things first, I was actually debating if I should include this bikini because I couldn't find the bottoms, but it really doesn't matter anyways because I'm not going to recommend it to you guys. This one I bought on Amazon, right here. The pricing for this, oh, by the way, all of these are in medium. All of my bikinis are in medium. I don't really wear smalls in bikinis. I don't feel like I do. I might have just one in a small, so I'll let you guys know though if it's a small. But this one right here is from Amazon. I forget where this is from, but I definitely don't recommend this. So if you guys see a bikini that looks like this, that has a whack tie knot right here, don't get it. Because let me show you guys up close this tie knot. Thinking it's like a real tie knot, it's like the saddest tie knot you will ever see in your life. Let me show you from the side. Like, oh, I don't even know what that is. Sorry guys, I don't know what that is. But this is the saddest little tie knot, and when I got this I was really disappointed. And I don't even think maybe I've taken one picture in this, but it's not cute and it feels really, really cheap. Okay, and on the side they have, or on the inside, they have these paddings right here that is really, really thick. This one is thicker than the other ones that I will show you guys in the next one. But I just want you guys to know that I got this on Amazon, probably pretty cheap, maybe like $10 for this top, but definitely don't get it. The only con, or the only pro that I can probably tell you with this, that they have adjustable straps, which is pretty cool. So you can lower the straps if you want, or add more. So there's that, but I definitely don't recommend this bikini. It feels super rough, and this just right here is not cute. My friend said it looks like a little penis, so there was that. Thanks V for telling me that it looks like a little penis. Okay, the scale I'm going from is least favorite to my most favorite. The next one I ordered on Amazon. This is from Zaful on Amazon, and I got this in a size medium. Now, this medium run small, so I definitely size up. Here's the top. The material is very thick and rough at the same time, and they have an adjustable band on the side. And I also got this one in a medium. I believe this one was $15.99 for both top and bottom. Pricing is really good if you don't expect too much in your bikini from Zaful. They do have a range of colors that you can choose from, which is really cool. So if you're trying to ball on a budget with bikinis, then maybe give these a try, but definitely a size up because these are really tight. Also, these are cheeky, and I love cheeky bikinis, but it's just really tight on me. You can see the cat kind of like spill out a little bit, whatever though, right? So the next two are from Forever 21. These were 2 for $15. Forever 21 was doing a little sale, I guess. These are also in a size medium, but I'm gonna tell you guys what's wrong with this. Top is perfect. I love the top. It is a clip in the front. So you could do this, hook it on, ta-da. Super soft fabric, as you can see. Very, very soft. Padding is super cute. Not thick at all, but it will definitely cover your nipples. And the back has an adjustable strap as well, which makes it super convenient if your torso is too long and you can just, you know, readjust it. As for the bottom, this is where I was disappointed because these aren't adjustable and they're way too big, which I kind of like waited. I bought these on a whim. The bikini bottoms are massive, and the hard part was, do I size up or do I size down? But it was such a big difference in between the sizes. I just picked the bigger size, because if I had went down to small, it was really small, and there was no way that I was gonna walk around in this small bikini with everything, and my lips, you know, my lips showing and everything. So I just didn't want to do that. So I got this medium. These aren't really cheeky, they cover a good amount of your butt, and I actually tried switching the front to the back, wearing the front to the back to kind of see if that would help. But when I do that, the front part is too baggy because there's too much fabric in the front. The back looks great, but then the front is just too baggy, and then you risk showing your hoo-ha to everybody on the beach. It was only, what's half of 15? $7.50, right? So there is that. It's not my favorite, but then I also don't hate it. So this next one is with the 2 for $15 from Forever 21. I like this one a little bit more than the yellow, but I do like the yellow top more. Now this is a string bikini with adjustable straps on the back. You could just tie it in the back. The fabric is super soft, unlike the first two that I was showing you guys, and really smooth, seamless inside. Ta-da! Very smooth. And the bottoms were a little bit better than the yellow bikini, but still too big. This one though, I was able to switch the front to the back, and I wore the back in the front, and it didn't have enough fabric where it would show my hoo-ha, like there was too much space in between, so this was perfect. I really do like this medium string bikini from Forever 21. So if you guys can see this in the stores, definitely grab it and wear it reverse. Ta-da! Love. I hope that helps you guys a little bit if you guys like cheeky bikinis, because I'm a big fan of cheeky and trying to get as much sun on my cheeks as possible. For my next bikini, I saw this one on Instagram with all the really gorgeous models on there, which, can I put my 2 cents in? I feel like they need more diversity on Boutine LA Instagram. So if you guys watch this video and if you guys know the workers over there, tell them they need a little bit more diversity. Super cute bikini, and you actually have the option of buying it, I believe, with the pad or without the pad, free of charge. Well, actually, I don't know if they charge now. This bikini was, the top was $50, but I'm quite sure when I bought it, it was probably $30. So now that they gained some popularity, they want to increase the prices a little bit, which is whack to me, but I guess it's a good money move for their company. They're $50 for this top right here. This is the Venice top, and the bottom is $30. They're known for their cheeky, super cheeky bottoms, which I do admire. Super cute. And it is true to size. This is also a size medium, but I want to show you guys something. Their fabric is very delicate, and if you, let's say you sit on concrete for like 2 seconds, or maybe wood even, this is what happens to your bikini. Like, you guys see those little scrunches? It just roughed up my fabric, so now it doesn't look smooth anymore, which is unfortunate because I spent so much on this bikini hoping that it's gonna stay good for a while. Also, I want you guys to know, this bikini is, it looks very delicate. It looks like it would just pop off any second if someone just comes up and grab you and it just comes off. It just seems so delicate. I honestly don't think the material, the way it's designed, is worth the money, but the style is super cute. I think that's what you're paying for when you buy Boutine, okay? And I want to show you guys this too. Here's the bottom part of my bikini. So honestly, I don't think I was laying on concrete because I know not to lay on concrete with any of my good clothes and or bikinis. So I actually don't know how this happened. And I'm sure the dryer cannot do that. So just want you guys to know, be really careful with your Boutine. I do like this bikini a lot though. I give this maybe like a 9 out of 10 for my bikinis, just because I love cheeky bikinis. But you can honestly find a better bikini, better material than Boutine. So you know you guys are really paying for the style. With that being said, my next bikini is almost a dupe for the Boutine. I got this pair at H&M for I think like 20 bucks for this whole thing. Now I'm gonna show you guys this. This is my fault. This is my bad. I shouldn't have, you know, listen to your mama and wash your white clothes with the whites, okay? Just do it. This is very similar to the Boutine bikini. And this is so cute because it's very flat and it pushes your boobs up really nicely too. But look what I did, y'all. Look what I did. I ruined my bikini. So I'm just gonna wear this, not in public, but whenever I go to the pool by myself, which died. Let me show you guys how the material looks. They're like little tiles, very smooth, very tight. And the way this is made, you don't have to worry with this being ripped. The other one just seems so flimsy. Like it feels like you could just rip that one apart. And you only paid $20 for this versus paying $80 for this Boutine and the brand. So, you know, but yeah, if you guys put this in the washer, also this is really cheeky. Just let me show you guys another very cheeky bikini. Just be really careful when you put this in the washer. My next bikini is from Amazon. Now this is a clutch bikini. Well, not super clutch, I'm hyping it up too much. I got this cute, really cute royal blue bikini from Amazon, only for $16.99. And this is also in a medium. Love this bikini because it is a tie knot in the front right here. Looks super silky, feels really good. And you also have a padding on the inside, which is super cool. This is what the back looks like. $16.99. And also, I just want you guys to know, this is from Kimsen, Qinsen from Amazon. Only $16.99. So I highly recommend this one. And let me show you guys the bottom. The bottoms are high-waisted. So if you guys aren't afraid of the high-waisted tan, then definitely go for this. I wasn't afraid. I was like, yup, let's go full throttle high-waisted tan. I don't give a fuck. This is what the bottom looks like right here. Really cheeky on the back. You can probably see on, if you guys check out my Instagram, you'll be able to see one of the pictures I posted with this. You can see the side of my cheek, which is you know, I work on that cheek, you know. Definitely recommend. This is my top 3 bikini right here. If you guys like that snatched waist, this is it. I just tripped out a little bit because I got too excited about this bikini. I remember when I ordered this bikini, I was like, yes! Fuck yeah. Score $16.99 over a Boutine bikini. Obviously, you guys can see I'm a little bitter for spending that much money on the Boutine. But Butene, if y'all want to hire me, let me know if y'all need some Asians in there. Cause we know y'all need some diversity. This next bikini is also from Amazon. Look, Amazon coming through, y'all. Y'all just don't know. These are all Amazon Prime because I am impatient and I don't like waiting for my bikinis to get to me. So this too is a Amazon bikini from Dai Li, D-A-I-L-E-I, and it ranges from $16.99 to $20 depending on which size you purchase, but I'm pretty sure this is $20 for both the top and bottom for me. This is the this is the top. Very silky, sturdy, definitely will not rip. right? Super, super cute, and adjustable straps on the side, or in the back, I'm sorry. And the back is also a clip. Sometimes I'm a little sus with these clips because you never know if it's like and pops open and then you're showing everybody your titties. Here are the bottoms, cheeky as well. Super, super cheeky. And I just want you guys, this is also a size medium. I want you guys to know the back is really weird. I don't know how they, actually don't know how they sew this. So this is the back. You guys are gonna trip out. Look at the back. Why is this stitch right here? So then, like, do I wear it like this? Because definitely can't fit it like that, right? Or do I wear it like this? Definitely can't wear it like that because then this part is kind of like right here and it's all lopsided because then this won't really fit. You know what I mean? So you definitely wear it like this, but the stitching is so odd. I don't know, I was really confused with that. And my friend B also had purchased this very similar bikini with the same issue with the stitching. It's like they really don't give a fuck how they stitch over there in China. So, but it really doesn't matter to me because it's still cute and nobody's like looking at the stitch like, ugh, bitch, what's wrong with your stitch? It's kind of weird, but whatever. $16.99 to $20 for this. Still, this is my second favorite bikini. I almost knocked myself out with this bikini. My top bikini is also from Amazon, and let me show you guys what it looked like. Ta-da! Really pastel light pink, super cute. You guys, when you wear this, you don't really see the cup, which is epic because it's Zaful. You can actually see the cup because the front piece of the fabric is super thick. You can't see it. And then on the back, same as the other one, it is a clip back like that, and you can adjust the strap as well. If you have a long torso, short torso, it got you, girl. Oh, this is from Dai Li Wei. D-A-I-L-I-W-E-I. D-A-I-L-I-W-E-I. And it cost me $20.99 for both, okay? And here are the bottoms. Oh, I just want you guys to know that these make my boobs look so good. It's like, bow, bow. It's like I got some titties, you know what I'm saying? And here are the bottoms. So this is the front. They actually got the stitching together on this one. They actually gave a fuck. But ta-da, super cute, super cheeky. Now if you're a little bit more conservative, they might have a full coverage type of bikini on that, but let me show you guys the fabric. Super soft, very, very nice, very sturdy. Love. I hope that helped you guys a little bit on the brands and the fabrics and where to get bikinis. Amazon. If you guys have any comments, if you guys have questions, leave them in the comments below and I will try my best to answer them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you in my next one.